Welcome to Unbox, everybody.
I am truly excited. I'm excited every time. I'm extra special excited today.
I'm also excited because I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, we never have any idea what it is, but especially not this time. Ooh, that was a good flick.
I've noticed that like in the videos you're usually pulling away every time.
Well, that's part of the charm. Spoiler alert, this is a tools episode.
Ooh, let's take a look. Ah, here.
This is not what I thought it was.
Whoa.
This is not at all what I thought it was.
This is so exciting.
2 Powerstrips.
Okay, well, for the sake of it, let's get a closer look. For those of you at home that don't know what a
This
power
is never
strip
going to be
is.
released. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plugs.
Wow.
Explain to our users what tool this is. How does this
Well,
work?
most of the things that we use here need to be connected through plugs, and I think the reason we ordered these is because we ran out of room.
This really took a turn. Yeah, a power strip turns one plugs into many plugs, so enjoy your power strips.
And be safe.
Be safe. Thanks everybody, see you next time.